want to share a love like our God. Amen. In my personal, I have that how much love me for myself, for you, sa ating mga brethren ngayon, that even myself, I really sacrifice, I really committed myself for today. That the moment I'm standing here, my family is also have not good in the Philippines because yesterday yung aking nanay is not in the hospital. At until now, nandun siya sa hospital ngayon, hindi pa alam anong situation. She is undergoing some procedures, some tests. At the same time, kahapon binagyo kami sa Samar. Sige na grade 3 mga kasyung magyo. Walang tao sa bahay. Yung parents ko, ay yung nanay ko, yung mga kapatid ko nasa hospital sila. Wala akong akanap ang nangyari doon. Ako, nandito ako, nag-asikaso para sa event na to. I want this